To learn, dear Lord, about these emerald leaves, the standard-petaled blossoms laved in dew, from where they came, and how and why they lived, or yet to know why ocean waters lash their atomed selves against the granite rocks that senseless lie along the shores, to know why rainbows fling their ribbon souls athwart the eastern skies when sun rays flick the west, why lightning furies range when storm winds still, the thunder echoes hurtling through the dark, to learn about the earth, about the moon, the sun, and lesser stars and other worlds that span the cerulean firmament. To learn great facts about the little things, and then, while knowing this, not to unlearn. Never, O God, to unlearn the child-learned truth, that thou art in reality the source, the why, the how, the wherefore of all things.